Tomorrow.
Mura daw kong 35. Thank you so much, guys. Iftikar Chadari. Thank you, Mr.
Kaya na kung mura kag 75 kay nag-eyeglass ka.
Friend, we be friends. Yes. Mag-friend daw may friend, we be friends.
Hoy kanang moingon sa imo i-add ka sa Facebook. Ayaw na pag kuan na kay mahimo na ninyong away ni kuya.
Oh, Jod.
Imo ra nagsabay-sabayan.
Ay, sad look good. Thank you so much, Iftikar Chadari. You will marry me? Okay.
Sabi mo, yes!
Sure na eh.
Just come!
But before you marry me, give me more money. Give me a house and lot. Ganyan, te.
Pasok ko gabi pag ninyo ka. Iftikar Chadario, you will marry me? Not now, guys.
Sabi mo, yes! Just come in the Philippines.
Dili guys in country, kung sino nag-comment, pangalan niya Banggita. Para masintro mo sila ba?
Iftikar Chadari.
Pila na may subscriber?
Thank you so much.
Hmm.
Duha na lang ang mag 1K. Mr.
Halimbawa,
Summer.
si Ramon nag-iinte.
My glasses is borrow this one, my brother.
Ano daw?
Lalo na di siya ate.
Ano daw? This my eyeglass borrow this one, my.
Basta mo na to.
Ako ko nung glasses kay putol man daw.
Oh, it's broke. I don't have money to buy new one. Sabi mo.
Dili, ako ko nung glasses kay kuan. Sa to? Tika Chadari no is yung